Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, me and my team members will introduce about products that we have innovated into a better products. It is Nenda Handmade Soap. Nenda Handmade Natural Soaps is a handmade soap that we made and innovate to give the best for our customers. And this idea comes when we have friends that suffer with their skin, such as eczema. According to NPD group, between 50% and 60% of men and 60% to 70% of women have sensitive skin that might be irritated by commercially produced soaps made with chemical ingredients and industrial operations.
So, hi, my name is Muhammad Syawali Babim Hassan, and next I will proceed to new product development. For the definition is, with the help of smart, multi-purpose and also mechanically operated technological devices, many products in today's technological era offer a simpler and more hassle-free way of life. Lawson B says that new product development is the process of bringing new ideas and technologies to the market. Product development can be done to bring a new product to the market or improve an existing one that have before. The process of introducing Nenda soap, which is our brand new product, to the market. We really want to participate in the cycle because of how fast change in purchaser inclination. So next I will proceed to the research and development process. This research and development were carried out with the intention of determining the rate at which a new product fails to assess its performance. This might be because of the extremely restricted primer information. As a result, new product development relies heavily on research and development. The term research and development refers to a coordinated effort aimed at discovering new information, products, or procedures. Usually, the research and development process help a business respond more effectively to change in the market and understand how customers feel about the new product that will be introduced. Let's go straight to the next part, which is the research method, which is the process of generating ideas. We have done some research about the product's feature to gain some market share and attract customers during this process. This research led to the creation of the concept, and some of the material used are unique to this product. For our Nenda soap, the materials that we utilize for our Nenda soap is from that cooking oil that have been reused and natural plain oil. So basically, our Nenda soap was made from cooking oil, is for use in the kitchen, and the soap that was made from organic plant oil is for use on the body. So for our product, we do not use any chemicals to make it, so it is good for eczema and the skin. Our soap was great for the skin, however, it is additionally can save our current circumstance from any contamination. According to the NDP group, between 50 and 60% of men and 60 to 70% of women have sensitive skin that react with commercially produced soaps made with chemical components and industrial process. We may customize our product to meet the needs of each individual customer and their specific skin condition. So this for the last part from me is idea screening. In the process of developing a new product, idea screening is an essential to ensure that there are no errors made during idea acceptance and rejection. All the ideas were accepted as components of the new product that will develop based on the generated concept. Our Nenda soap is also made using a traditional handcraft method that keeps the soap's organic state, and it is one of a kind. Naturalists will treat each customer's sensitive skin issue as unique to better satisfy them, as a different customer have a different sensitive skin issues. Each customer's condition will be fully understood, and a suitable soap product will be provided through the customization of some of our products. That's all from me. Thank you.
Our Nenda handmade natural soap are made with high quality ingredient and pure essential oil are used to create unique formulas. Our soap bar is not only natural but functional, safe and luxurious. It also gentle to the skin, especially for those who are having eczema. Besides, our Nenda soap is made without chemical and is not harmful to human and also vegan and not tested on animals. For the estimate cost of designing and making the Nenda homemade soap bar, the total cost roughly is Rm50 ringgit. The ingredients to make this handmade soap are shown there, which is for example glycerin, castor oil, essential oil, chia seed, soap mold, packaging and more. And the total cost of Rm50 can make about 8 handmade soap bar. For the product design, we are using a variety of soap molds from online shop. So as new soap maker, we are using the soap mold and this is a great way for beginners like us to get started. And next to me, there is a picture of Nenda soap that we made from the mold. So the first design we are using are actually from a leaf mold design, where we want to show to our customer that our Nenda soap is a really natural homemade soap with natural ingredient and environmentally friendly. For packaging, we are using an environment-friendly packaging. As a business owner, it is more important than ever to take steps to reduce our impact on the environment. As for our brand, which is Nenda, we value both appealing and environment-friendly packaging. Our fancy-looking packaging doesn't just look good, but it also biodegradable paper, which is a recycled paper that helping the environment and prevent more pollution. By using the environmentally friendly packaging, it can lower our production costs. It also can cut costs by using fewer resources, purchasing inexpensive recycled material, and reducing our inventory. It also helps reduce packaging expenses over time and allow our business to freely allocate their business elsewhere. In next video, I will show you how our recycled packaging will work. For launching our Nenda homemade soap, we are using social media, which is Instagram, for our product launching platform. By using the trendy caption and promote the benefit of our natural homemade soap, we can attract green and skin concerned consumers, especially for those who are having eczema. For product testing, we give our Nenda handmade soap tester to our friends and take a feedback from them after 3 days. These are the example feedback from our friend. Natasha said that your soap are really gentle to my skin and I was suffering from severe dryness on my skin and it helped in maintaining moisturizer. While the other feedback from my friend is it helped one of my friend with her eczema.
For our marketing strategy and business analysis, we use 4P strategy in our marketing strategy to help us stay focused on our goals. And the first P, we make handmade soap bar from organic plant oils as our product, and our goal are not to only provide a high quality natural ingredient soap to the market, but also to benefit the environment. And a second piece is our pricing. We would use a value-based pricing strategy because we believe our product is one of a kind, unique, and we want our target market to share our values. And third piece would be place and channel. Initially, we will target consumer through a direct delivery by sales executive, but we will also use social media as our primary location for our target market to get hands on our product, such as Instagram. And last piece will be promotion through free sample giveaways and digital advertising to raise awareness to target market about our Nenda soap.
For prototype, I will show you in next video how we make the Nenda handmade soap from scratch. First, we are going to prepare all our ingredients first. Next, we will need to cut the soap base into small pieces for us to melt it easily. Then, take a 250 gram soap base into a cup. After that, we will need to use a double boiling method to melt our soap base. While waiting our soap base to melt, we can add some cocoa butter to melt it. Then, I will add about 5 drops of castor oil. Later in this video, I will explain to you what are the benefits of castor oil. Next, add 10 drops of essential oil into our soap base. Later, we can add our extract into the soap base. The extract I'm using here is chia seed extract. Remember to mix it well. Then separate the soap base into 2 bowls. Then we can add some natural color into our soap. After that, I will add some dried flour into the soap. Then we can pour our mixture into the mold. And we will need to wait about 30 to 40 minutes for the soap to form and dry. Tada! After 30 to 40 minutes, the soap is ready and we can unmold it. Then, use a clean plastic to wrap our soap immediately and carefully. Now, I will explain to you the benefit of castor oil. Castor oil is rich in resinolic acid and commonly used in cosmetics to promote hydration. By using the castor oil into our handmade soap ingredient, it will help prevent or reduce water loss through the outer layer of the skin and promote hydration. Besides, by applying castor oil into our handmade ingredient, it can create a moist environment that may help promote healing and prevent sores from drying out on wounds. Interestingly, cleaning dentures with castor oil may help reduce the risk of developing denture stomatitis because castor oil can help kill bacteria and fungi.
For our test marketing, how we test our product marketing. Okay, first Nenda soap will promote our own natural soap product through a public awareness campaign that will include a society workshop to educate the public about skin wellness, and participants such as consumer and target market will receive a giveaway and our product, and we will provide feedback for improvement during the campaign. We will also use a social platform such as local health wellness campaign to share product with target consumer and offer free trials.
The main problem why we come up with this soap is because many people have skin problem. It is hard for them to find a suitable soap that suits their sensitive skin. We had overcome this problem. We've created Nenda handmade natural soap that makes soap free from any hazardous chemicals found in other commercial soaps on the market. Our objective are to give people natural products that promote a healthy way of living, making more natural handmade soap because it is in high demand, and natural handmade soap focus for people with sensitive skin. For our research, we use quantitative method. Online sampling was conducted to collect data for this research. We gave them open-ended and closed-ended questions through Google Form, and most of the respondents are students from Unikl. Since our products is different and organic, Nenda handmade soap will put the price from only 20 ringgit for one bar of soap. It is quite expensive because of the ingredients that we use for the soap, but we believe the price is still affordable for an organic handmade soap. Nenda handmade soap will use direct sales to reach out to the customers. But on social media, we are also will be more active on Instagram to give customers awareness and benefit if they use our product. We will at least post one picture with caption that will attract people every day to make sure they notice how good is our handmade soap and convince them that our product is authentic.
Our conclusion in our findings, we use Google Forms to send to the target market, and we've discovered that as you can see there, our question is, how have you ever purchased handmade soap before? We want to know whether they know about a handmade soap bar, and then we can see that most of them have purchased this type of handmade soap bar. So we have high chances that they will purchase Nenda soap out of curiosity and to try out our quality. And second, as you can see here, the question, if you decide to buy handmade soap, what characteristic will you look for? and most of them choose ingredients, which is perfect for us because we prioritize our ingredients. Actually, ingredients is very important to us. Most consumer prioritize ingredient is a good fit for Nenda soap, which is suitable with us since we are also using natural ingredients, vegan and environment friendly. And next question, for what reason you think you would you would think to buy a handmade soap? And then we found out that most of them want to buy handmade soap because of their skin concern. So Nenda soap is for sensitive skin, which is good for people who suffer from skin conditions such as acne and more. And lastly, we asked that overall how you support homemade soap in comparison to market soap, such as Lux or Dove bar, soap bar. And then to conclude, most of them prefer the homemade soap than the market, which give us a lot of advantages in market competition. And lastly, I will explain the product life cycle in the introduction stage. Usually the firm seeks to build a product awareness and develop a market for the product, and this is similar to us current stage. We want to create a product awareness by campaigning, giving free trials and advertising. And for the next stage, which is the growth stage, the company usually seeks to build a brand preference and increase market share. And next stage would then the third stage is when the rapid increase in sales is slowing. Similar product may face competition. At this point, the primary goal is to maintain the market share while increasing profit. And lastly, when there are decline stage, which is when sales decline and the company have to make an option, and such as maintaining the product, possibility rejuvenating it by adding new features and whatever, and harvesting the product or discontinuing the product. So hopefully we can avoid a declining stage in our product life cycles, because we hope that we will be here in a long term. Thank you.